The biggest impact of this program, it's so hokey, but it taught me to believe in myself. I know that sounds silly, but my business, my idea has really two ways it could take. I could have a small business that, thrives and maybe I have one or two employees, or there's a way I could take this business and have a startup, a real startup, a fundable, scalable business. And towards the beginning of the program, this is actually the only mistake I really think I made. I still was treating my idea like the small business and that the startup was still a dream to it. And I had to kind of go back and really reflect on how I was approaching the program itself. And once I doubled down and got the confidence of all the validation and the feedback I was getting on my idea and my concept, that made me realize that the startup opportunity is there. The potential really is there. And with a bit of that confidence, I changed my strategy and now I'm moving in such an incredible direction. It was transformative for me personally. And I mean, the outcomes of the actual program were very useful. It's all real work that I'm going to keep building on. But the change in myself and the strategy behind my business was the best outcome I could have asked for. And it wasn't what I thought I was going to get out of it. I thought I was going to put aside product development. I thought, yeah, it's in a good place. I'm going to focus on other stuff. And I went right back to doing some product development because I was getting so much insight and change on how I wanted to do what I was doing. So unexpected outcomes, but worthwhile ones for sure.